Hey guys, Table 1 here, and this is our Salt of the Earth presentation, and today we'll be focusing on the Andes. The Andes are mountain ranges that run along the western edge of South America. It is about 4,300 miles long and 120 to 430 miles wide. The average height of the Andes is 13,000 feet. They are also the world's longest mountain chains. The range was also known for its volcanoes, ruins of long-ago civilizations, and the source of a malaria treatment. Location in the Andes. The Andes extend over 7 countries: Argentina, Bolivia, Chile, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, and Venezuela. The Andes have 3 ranges of mountains. The southern Andes begin on the mountainous Estados Island run to the west through Grande Island. The central Andes serves as a boundary between Chile and Argentina. Also, it's the drainage divide between rivers flowing to the Pacific and Atlantic. The northern Andes is Venezuela and Colombia consist of 3 parallel ranges: the western, central, and eastern. Formation of the Andes mountain range. The formation of the Andes have been a topic of controversy over the past decades. The prevailing view was that the Andes became a mountain range between 6 to 10 million years ago, when a huge volume of rock dropped off the base of Earth's crust in response to over-thickening of the crust in this region. Around 30 million years ago was the first sign of the Andes mountain forming. Andes mountain range plate boundary. The Andes mountain range is formed from the convergent plate boundary between the Nazca and Antarctic plates and the South American plates, where the 2 oceanic Nazca and Antarctic are subducted under the South American plate. This process is also a type of convergent plate boundary called a continent-ocean collision. And here is a better picture of the oceanic plates colliding with the continent plates, Nazca and Antarctic with the South American. History of the Andes. The Andes mountain started rising about 150 million years ago when the Nazca and the Antarctic collided with the South American plate. 60 million years ago, the process of folding allowed the Andes mountain to start rising. In present day, the Andes is still forming due to lifting and erosion. Volcanoes in the Andes mountain. There are many active volcanoes in the Andes mountain range. The Andes is distributed into 4 sections based on areas of inactivity: Northern volcanic zone, which consists of southern Colombia and Ecuador; Central volcanic zone, which consists of southern Peru, Bolivia, northern Chile, and Argentina; the Southern volcanic group, which consists of central Chile to the Chile Triple Junction; and Austral volcanic zone, which is south of Chile Triple Junction. And some examples are Cotopaxi in Ecuador and Ojos del Salado in Argentina. And this is a picture of the 4 volcanic zones being divided in South America. Thank you.